In this video, I will explain to you why starting from Pinyin to learn Chinese is not the right way. Firstly, I will tell you the fact. Native Chinese never use Pinyin to learn Chinese speaking. Secondly, starting from Pinyin to teach foreigners Mandarin speaking is not effective. Third, foreigner students start from Pinyin to learn Chinese. Most of them don't like to learn Chinese characters, then unable to Chinese reading. Fourth, Pinyin input is no good for Chinese study. Let's start from the first one. Native Chinese never use Pinyin to learn Chinese speaking. Pinyin was introduced into Chinese language in 1958. Before that, in 1,000 years, Pinyin did not exist at all. In China, infants and young baby learn Chinese speaking from parents, no Pinyin involved. Nowadays, kids learn fluent Mandarin by watching TV and internet videos or go to kindergarten. Chinese kids start to learn Pinyin at primary school. At that time, they are already fluent in Mandarin speaking. So Chinese kids use Mandarin to learn Pinyin, not the other way around. So from ancient times to nowadays, no native Chinese use Pinyin to learn Chinese speaking, that's for sure. Start from Pinyin to teach foreigners Mandarin speaking is not effective. The first reason is Pinyin letters are the same as English letters. So foreign students read Pinyin with English sound and tones, and it's very difficult to uncover them. Teaching Pinyin 4 tones at the beginning is very hard and also boring. To compare, to distinguish, and to count 4 tones is very difficult if the student is not fluent in Mandarin. These are the 2 main reasons that Pinyin caused Mandarin study so hard for foreigners. Start from Pinyin to learn Chinese blocks the way of Chinese writing and reading study. Pinyin has no relation with Chinese writing. Start from Pinyin to learn Chinese. Most foreign students will consider Pinyin as the Chinese language, so many of them are reluctant to learn Chinese words and do not like to learn Chinese reading. For these reasons, many foreign students are not able to read Chinese and also speak Chinese as English after a long time study. And Pinyin input is no good for Chinese study. Pinyin input processes sound information. It does not process word component and structure information. So Pinyin input does not help to practice and memorize Chinese writing and reading. If the word component and structure information do not get renewed and practiced in daily use, they will be gradually erased from the memory. So, if foreign students want to learn Chinese writing and reading, they should not use Pinyin as the daily input method. These pictures just to remind you, Pinyin is not the Chinese language. So, please, do not use Pinyin to learn Chinese. Learn Chinese speaking and reading directly.
1、2、3、4、5天，你、我、他、们，好。1、
1、
2、
2、
3、
3、
4、
4、
5
5
天，
你、
我、他、
们，
好。1、2、3、4、5天，你、我、他、们，好。我们、你们、他们、
你、我、他、好。Next video, I will explain how to learn Chinese speaking in direct way. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your watching.